Welcome to the Tucson Unified School District Head Protection Training Module. The information in this training module was prepared by the TUSD Risk Management Department. In this training, we will cover regulations and standards, potential hazards, common head injuries in the workplace, protective measures, personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, and lastly, PPE selection and proper care. This training is in accordance with the OSHA General Industry Regulation 1910.135 Head Protection and must meet the American National Standards Institute Standard ANSI Z89.1 Industrial Head Protection. Head injuries can be caused by falling and flying objects or by bumping your head against a fixed or moving object. Exposure to electricity may also cause head injuries. Common head injuries that can occur at work include concussions from falling and flying objects landing on your head, punctures and lacerations caused by sharp objects, burns caused by hot surfaces, metals, and electricity, and electric shock caused by power tools, equipment, and other electrical objects. Protective measures are in place to promote a safe environment for all employees. The following protective measures must be followed. Proper protective equipment must be worn. Never wear any broken or damaged hard hats. All warning signs must be read and followed. Do not participate in any type of horseplay in the workplace. Such behavior is unsafe and can lead to devastating consequences. Do not wear helmets backwards. Be aware of your surroundings. Pay attention and identify objects and structures that may be a hazard. And always maintain good housekeeping practices. Ensure potential falling objects are secured. Employees should wear hard hats that are properly rated for the specific work environment. According to the American National Standard Institute Standard ANSI Z89.1, hard hats fall into 2 types and 3 categories intended to provide protection against specific hazardous conditions. Type 1 is intended to reduce the force of impact from a blow to the top of the head. Type 2 is intended to reduce the force of impact from a blow to the top of the head and off-center of the head. Class G, or General, is intended for low voltage protection. Class E, or Electrical, is intended for high voltage protection. And Class C, or Conductive, has no voltage protection. If the task or job you are performing requires a hard hat, you need to contact your supervisor. The next 3 slides will go into more detail regarding the hard hat classes. The Class G hard hat, also known as General, protects against impact hazards, has low voltage protection, and is used by employees in building construction, lumbering, and tunneling. The Class E hard hat, also known as Electrical, protects from impact, falling objects, flying objects, shock, burns, and is used mainly when employees are performing electrical work. The Class C hard hat, also known as Conductive, protects against impact hazards but does not protect from voltage. It is for tasks that do not involve electricity. When selecting head protection, make sure it is comfortable, is worn properly, and is never worn backwards. Ensure you understand purpose and limitations by following the manufacturer's instructions. Never wear hard hats that have been altered or damaged. Hard hats must have the ANSI standard stamp to ensure the quality of the product. The illustration on this slide indicates where you can find the ANSI standard stamp. Hard hats have an expiration date lasting from 2 to 5 years, depending on the manufacturer and work conditions. They are marked with the year, month, and day they were molded. Make sure you read manufacturer instructions for guidance. Periodic inspection of your hard hats will maintain confidence that the hard hat will provide the level of protection intended by the manufacturer. It is important to inspect the shell, suspension, headband, and sweatband. You need to look for any dents, cracks, or penetrations that have caused damage to the hard hat. If the hard hat is found to be damaged, it must be disposed in accordance with your department's instructions. In order to maintain the integrity of the hard hat, it must be taken care of properly. Hard hats must be kept away from the rear window shelf of a vehicle, as sunlight will cause damage. Clean hard hats at least monthly by using warm, soapy water. And lastly, avoid any paint or debris buildup on the hard hat. In this training, we've gone over regulations, standards, potential hazards, common work head injuries, protective measures, personal protective equipment, also known as PPE, protection selection, and lastly, PPE proper care. If you have any questions, please contact the Risk Management Office at 520-225-6601 or by emailing at riskmanagement@tusd1.org. Congratulations! You have completed the video portion of this training module. Now, please head to topic number 2 and pass the quiz with an 80% or higher to receive credit for taking this course.